If you are in search for the 100% ready-to-move-in condition house that is situated in a convenient location with close proximity to all local amenities, easy access to major highways, and what's more, sitting on a preferred north-south orientation, then this could be the ideal home for you and your family. Hi everyone, I'm Agnes from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Thank you for joining Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772 today at the Kembangan Estate in District 14. Sitting on the land size of 1567 square feet with an approximate built-out size of 3,200 square feet, this modern 3-story with an attic terrace house comes with 4 ensuite bedrooms and a newly installed home lift. An extensive N&A was recently carried out with thoughtful and meticulous planning by the owners. So let's get right in. If the boxes on your checklist are ticked, do give us a call today at 9223-7772 for the exclusive home tour. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your campus for landed properties.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.